We're back, lovelies. Fasten your seatbelts. It's been a bumpy ride. We're in the van again.
Yep.
For the first time since we got to Bulgaria, we're actually in the van together.
We decided we'll take the van and we might as well turn it into a bit of a trip. So it's crack of dawn. We've actually got no idea where we're going. We believe it's about 2.5 hours on the road. I'm just following this guy. If I lose him, well, we'll try and find out.
All the babas are on the bus, baba being the Bulgarian word for grandmother. So it's the Goselica babas on a bus.
Probably going to sleep over wherever we are. It's going to be, I believe, 2.5 hours away. And we'll see how it works out. But we're taking you with us.
I'll put mine on in a moment.
Right.
We are following a military convoy.
We've been reduced to slow. Hours later, oh no, 2 hours later, we are still following Happy Trance.
Wow, look at the sunset. This is Varna, somewhere in Bulgaria. And look who we have here.
I'm at the beach, making coffee. Baditsa. What a smell. Anyway, we can't live in this house unless we open up the ceiling. So here we go. Ceiling comes out. They left one of their friends behind.
Extension.
Extension, please. This wouldn't come in this way. At this stage, I'm not convinced that there's no wood to do. I'd be more happy if I could just remove. Might as well. I've made such a mess already. I'll just continue. Just gonna go up and push down. More gunk from up top.
So this is what our shower room looks like at this stage. Wonderful, right? Not so much.
Yes, grinder will cut. Gonna be very dirty work. I nearly dropped it.
What am I doing?
That grinder is nearly as big as the bathroom.
Yeah. Well, that's what I've got. I need to now make more space so that I can put a new drain. And I'm going to use that thing.
And this is sort of before, but after that.
Want to more?
That's incredible.
No.
Tastes great.
I'm going to go in the other direction now.
This takes curling up in the fetal position on the bathroom floor to a whole different level. It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
Okay, this smells like a diesel heater.